Hello guys, how you doing? Hope everybody's doing well. I hadn't done a live video in a while, but I have some stuff I wanted to show you. Not much, but it's something I think you guys are gonna be. I'm very happy and excited about this. This one's right here. Very nice. Glad I got these, man. These are hard to find, man. I've only seen well, you'll see. First off is, you've seen it. You've seen it. It's the Honda Civic. Right? This thing is a beauty, man. Very collectible. I have this one. I also have the black one, and I have the white one. I'm missing the blue. The Kmart Collector's Day blue one, and the Super, and I have the complete set. This thing is sweet, man. Yep, that's that. And this one I've got at a vintage toy store. The next two I got at a vintage toy store that I frequent, and this is pretty nice. Right, this is from 2007 Holiday Rods. 2007 Holiday Rods, and it is none other than, it's a Chevy, but it is slowly La Troca, the truck. Chevy pickup truck, La Troca, baby. Look at that. Woo! By the way, these are real riders. Look at that. Rivera, what's going on? What do you think about this? This thing is sweet. Double bubble wrap. It has this one in here, out here. Then it has another. I don't know if you can see it. Another layer of plastic. This thing is sweet, man. Look at that. La Troca, gold grill, gold trim. Look at that. La Troca, what number is this? Doesn't have a number. Happy holiday to celebrate the holiday season. We've created a special line of holiday theme Hot Wheel cars. Alright. This is it right here. This is what it looks like on the back. And here we go. La Troca, baby, with the gold trim. I mean, when I saw this, I was like, I had to get it. Excuse me. This is vintage toy store that I go to. This thing is sweet. Look at that. Look at the wheels, man. Real riders. Look at that. La Troca. And what does it say there? It says North Pole. Oh, North Pole sleds. All right, so we got La Troca plus the Civic, and last but not least, let's put this like this. There you go. Woo! Last but not least, this, I was excited when I found this one at the same vintage toy store, and it is from the diecast metals. It's an all-one. Let me see what it looks like on the back. That's what it looks like on the back. Alright. Nah, that's not that. It's none of those. It's just want you to see what it looked like on the back. And it is, you ready? Ferrari F40. But look at this. Look at this now. Boom. And you're gonna notice, well, let me see. Let me show you something. Let me keep showing you. You see the engine there? Ferrari 40. Woo! And the coolest thing about this one, I've only seen race grooves with one of these. This one opens the back. The back of it, let me see, it was just open a while ago. Okay. You probably can hear it, but I'm trying to get it open for you. There you go. The back of it opens. It was wide open a little while ago. Here you go. It's a little bit open there. See? This back right here, it opens up. The trunk, it opens up. Actually, it's not the trunk. That's the engine right there. The trunk is supposed to be in the front. Yeah, this thing opens up, man. This is, I don't know if you can see right here, there you go. Let's see much better there. This thing is sweet, man, and this is, to me, is rare because these again, I've only seen race grooves, and he's he's an old school collector, man. He's got to have it, of course. The one that opens up the back like this. There you go. See it? I've only seen him with this thing that opens up like that. And focus here. There you go. I'm trying to hold it. Yeah, man. I found it and I was like, I gotta have it. There you go. That's what it looks like in the front and the hood. Sweet, bro. Guys, that's it. This is my little right here. A little haul. I found these I found at Target. Target, I think. Yeah. So, but those two right there, those are like the main the cool ones, bro. Look at that. Got La Troca and the Ferrari. Alrighty then, guys. Until next time, like the video, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you're seeing any of these or any of these. This type of troca right here, like that with the gold trim and the real riders. I don't know, Rivera. Let me know. Rivera Hot Wheels. Let me know, man. You're into trucks. You should know. Well, this thing is sweet, man. And the Rari. All right, guys. Until then, happy hunting. God bless. Share, subscribe the video. Please like it. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for joining the giveaway. Anytime I give giveaways. All right, guys. Take it easy. And until next video.